Hello, lovely people. Welcome or welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you this easy, simple fried rice recipe. Let's get started. In a pan, I'll go in with some margarine. I'll let this melt for some few minutes. Then I will add my onions. So I'm going to let this fry for 5 minutes before I will add the washed rice. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Getty and you are welcome to my channel. We make simple and easy recipes on this channel. If you are interested, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and also click on the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. So guys, at this point the rice has toasted very well. So I'll go ahead and add my chicken stock and stir. So I'm not going to add salt because the chicken stock contain much salt, so there's no need to add any. So I'll cover it, then let it cook under medium heat. Okay, fam. So after 10 minutes, I will give it a quick stir and cover it again and let it cook for the final time. While this is going on, I just want to thank my returning and new subscribers. Thank you so much for the love and support. So guys, after 20 minutes, the rice is well cooked. I will just take it off from the fire, let it cool down, and you can follow me on Facebook, watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube short. The name is Get Cooks. So please stay tuned. Alright, lovelies, our fried rice is all done. Just look at the perfect outcome and it looks so delicious. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up, share this video and also comment and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Till then, see you in my next one.